Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there guys. Welcome again to DIY Design by CCW. As always guys, I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Guys, I'm coming to you today with, you guessed it, another Tablescape collaboration. Guys, this one is titled Spring is in the Air. It's the Spring Tablescape 2020. So again, the hashtag for this collaboration is Spring Tablescape 2020. Guys, there were just a few rules we were supposed to follow for this, not many. Number one, we had to include flowers. Of course, include the hashtag in the description, which I just told you is Spring Tablescape 2020. And mention both the host channels, and make sure that we add links in our description boxes. And other than that, just have fun. Now, the host for this collaboration, number one, is the lovely, creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. Now, Stephanie's channel, there'll be a link to her channel in the description box. But listen, don't know if you follow her channel or not. If you don't, I'm telling you, you're missing out. She, again, like a lot of the collaborators and a lot of the creators rather out there, she has fantastic content. Go over and pay her a visit and show her some love. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope that you'll do that. Also, the co-host is Bree's Project Book. Now, I love Bree's channel. I go over there all the time to find out how to do different DIYs. She does great instructional videos and great home decor videos and more. Listen, if you haven't subscribed to Bree's Project Book, you're missing out. So please make sure you go over and visit her channel. And if you're not a family member of hers, I hope that you'll subscribe and make sure to hit that notifications button. Same thing here, guys. If you're not a member of this family, I hope that you'll do that. I hope that you'll join us today. Hit that notifications button, hit that subscription button rather than hit that notifications button so that you're notified every time we upload content. Now, guys, there were no color restrictions or anything like that for today's collaboration. Again, we were just told to have fun. So what I've been trying to do recently with my spring collaborations is to really just kind of think outside the box, come up with some different color mixes and unique centerpieces, things like that. So I'll get a little bit closer, do a quick talk you through, then I'll put on some music and let you guys just check out the Tablescape. Now I'll start, guys, with my centerpiece. Of course, I have to move that over just a little bit. What is it? Well, you guys know I love my cake stands. So this is another cake stand. This one again comes from Home Goods. I'm a kind of a glitz and glam girl, so anything that has a little bling or glam, that's going to catch my eye. So what I did is layer this cake stand with a tray that I found, I think at Burlington some time ago, and I topped the cake stand with these candle holders that I found at Ross. I thought they were really pretty. I love the shade of blue. And I've got my florals, right there. And those are just some Dollar Tree flowers that I arranged on there to just make sure that I had my floral component and, of course, a nice pop of blue. At the bottom, you'll see these little blue flowers or whatever you want to call them. I got those at Dollar Tree. I just thought they were pretty, and they gave a nice pop of blue. And in fact, you'll see I have used them with my napkin rings, and I thought they were pretty. Like I said, gave that nice little pop of blue. Now for my settings, guys, I use two different types of napkin rings. On one side I have just plain silver Dollar Tree napkin rings. On the other side I have some blue and white napkin rings that I got from Pier 1, I think. And for the setting itself, you know, the colors don't always show that well on camera, but I'll tell you that what I have is a light blue placemat. This charger is actually pink. It may look gold on camera, but it's pink. And a white plate, blue saucer, and the napkins, I'm not sure what color they look like on camera, but they are pink. The glassware I'm using today, just some basic stemware that I got from the Dollar Tree, blue top, clear bottom. And for the candle accents, these candle holders, just some clear candle holders that I got at, I think, Ross. Candles I've had forever. And just a traditional silverware setup. I've got blue and pink pillows in my chairs. And that's it, guys. I didn't put a runner on the table this time, or tablecloth or anything. Just wanted to let the place settings kind of speak for themselves. And that's all I had. So again, my overall color scheme, I started out thinking I would just do maybe a pink and a white, then a blue and a white. Then I thought, you know what, why don't I combine them and see what they look like? So anyway, I'll be quiet and let you guys just kind of look at the tablescape. You tell me what you think. I welcome all of your comments. And guys, again, I want to give a shout out to the host of this channel, or rather the host, of this collaboration. And again, the host channels are Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie, and also Bree's Project Book. And again, there will be links to both of their channels in the description box. And as soon as it's available, there will also be a link to the playlist so that you can go and check out all the other videos. I'm sure the other creators who are participating came up with some great ideas for this spring collaboration. And again, if you want to find the other videos, bear with me here. The hashtag is Spring Tablescape 2020. Spring Tablescape 2020. So you can either tap that hashtag, or you can go and view the playlist, and you'll find all the other participants. So anyway, guys, have a fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications button. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.